Good morning, my friend. Today we will sharing knowledge about the information for the engineering drawing. Okay, basic engineering (BAD). So the process flow is BAD shows major equipment and process stream with the low rate, temperature, and pressure. Piping and instrument diagram. Primary PNID illustration control loop instrument symbol safety system like relay valve. Plot plan and equipment layout. Plot plan visualize spatial arrangement of the unit across the route and utility corridor. Basic design document and essence estimate. Design basic document define criteria and utilities need. Equipment list show the project scale. So in other words, so the meaning is the basic engineering is a set of the primary design document developed during the basic engineering phase and EPC project. So these drawings serve as foundation for the cost estimation, feasibility study, and transition detail engineering. Why is BAD is important? BAD project scope help the stakeholder understand the overall layout, process, and major equipment. Support cost estimation, provide enough detail for the estimation capex and open within, for example, accuracy is 15% accuracy. Guide fit and DAD pace, act and reference for the more detailed design and procurement planning. The facility and permitting and approval use environment impact assessment and regulatory submission. So they improve the risk identification, early visibility into the safety, environment, and operational risk. Comprehensive scope of the AD. So finalized engineering drawing, DAD include the final PNID and isometric detail, instrument, piping rod, well, and fitting. Equipment and electric layout. Equipment layout drawing, specific foundation and maintenance access. Electrical drawing including a single line diagram and cable routing. Civil and structural documentation. Civil drawing cover foundation, structural steel and steel infrastructure like drainage and road work. Integration safety and environment system. The safety systems such as SIS, IC and fire and gas detection are full integrated along the environment emission and waste control. So the DAD transformed from the conceptual framework established in the BAD into the construction ready for documentation. So this place including the finalized PNID into the all instrument and control loop, ensure the precise operation control, isometric drawing are developed, detail the piping routing, welding, support, fitting, and the bill of the material or BOF. Equipment layout drawing provide the foundation detail and maintenance access, while the electric drawing encompass single line diagram SLD, cable routing, and eting plan. Instrument document include the loop diagram, junction box layout, and etc. Yeah. And then the civil foundation drawing cover foundation plan and little bit is more detail. And also emergency shutdown, ESD, fire and gas detection system, environment control are also the specified addressing emission system and waste management. This comprehensive document ensure that all aspects of the project are ready for the procurement, fabrication, and construction. Integration of the HSE in the engineering design. Safety Instrument System SIS. SIS designed per IAC 1511 respond reliability and hazard condition, ensure the safety operational, gas and fire detection and ESD, fire and gas detection system monitoring, light and trigger emergency shutdown to the protect equipment and personnel. Hazardous area classification as per the zone guide, safe selection and electrical and mechanical equipment to prevent incident, environment control and assessment, emission control, water treatment, and EIA ensure the environment compliant with suitable project execution. So the safety and environment consider integrated the both BAD and DADP safety instrument system. SIA are designed according to the standard to ensure reliability response hazard condition. Fire and gas detection system are strategically placed, monitoring potential leak point and initial alarm are shut down. So environmental parameter like control like emission, FOC, NOx, SOx through the scrubber and the fire system, waste management system. Environment impact assessment EIA are conduct to evaluate the project footprint and propose mitigation measurement. This interest has an interest ensure the compliance with the internal standard and promotion suitable project execution. Majority this document also will cover by the AMDAL as per the government regulation. So the project have to comply with the regulation. Otherwise, during the operational permit is not approved for running for the operational. So once to see this one, we need to see to understand comprehensively all the comply. Overview of driving standard in APC project. Impact of driving standard. Standard ensure the consistency, accuracy, and clear communication among engineering, contractor, and client in APC. Integrated National Standard, EPC flow, ISO ASME standard covering the sheet size, title block, dimensional and tolerance guide. International specification and document control. Company use internal spec and document register to manage the drawing revision, ensuring the use of the latest approved version, quality and comply, achieve the standard, maintain quality and ensure the deliverable meet the regulation and client requirement. So the engineering standard in APC project as essential for ensure consistency, accuracy, and compliance across the phase design, the drawing, and construction. They mostly have problem in majority. The drawing submission to the procurement and construction is different. So once because it's not easy during this phase, maybe the procurement already submit drawing to them for the technical agreement on the beginning the project. Then the construction still have revision during the construction, maybe after the equipment arrive. So for example, the anchor ball, different design, or maybe some is not matching between some manufacturing and another manufacturing. For example, maybe from the superheater, then superheater go to the economizer. So something is like that. They may chance of the mismatch of the technical agreement from the manufacturing if the different manufacturing. But mostly is this design problem during the different discipline. For example, from the structure to the civil, structure to the structure. For example, structure to padding plate to the foundation anchor ball, something like that. So this standard is to provide guidance for the creation, formatting, and implementation technical drawing by using the various engineering discipline. In the APC drawing, drawing serve in the primary mean is communication between the stakeholder, including the engineering, for the is discipline by documentation, yeah, by tracking. So the revision drawing is have to very important to make it the project is no additional cost and no impact for the schedule. The standard typically including the international norms such of ISO, American standard like ASME and etc. Additionally, in EPC, company often have internal specification and document registration to manage drawing revision and ensure the only latest provide revision to use. This practical are crucial to maintain quality and ensure that all engineering deliverable meet regulation and client requirement. So after the coming EFC, so if any change, so EFC drawing have to update. So it's not only update to the EPC side, because once the to make it EFC need to consider lot information from the manufacturing. So the revision drawing and very intense communication is very important to make it is drawing is the latest as per the actual on the site. So this is the key ISO standard for the engineering drawing. Did this ask me why adversarial for the engineering documentation? So the project specification drawing management, so discipline safety drawing code is EPC engineering discipline are used default code and minimum requirement tolerant to the project need and standard. So this is very important. The standard is very important. So because different project, different location, and maybe different requirement based on the load and the condition of the actual manufacturing, actual land condition, or maybe the civil engineering study. So document register and revision control, EPC company maintain the document register tracking for the order drawing and revision to ensure the use is latest approval document. So document tracking and storage is very important. The too easy tracking and too easy is check the drawing when the engineering or construction, then very easy to find that document. If difficult to find document and document is not traceability system is not there, it means document control is not work as per the good project practice. Vendor drawing release code, the vendor drawing has release code indicate approval status within the code 3, usually they mean approval for the fabrication. Quality and integrated practice, EPC company provide example development and mandate design tool integration to the maintain quality and support maintenance. So the EPC drawing practice are tolerant and meet the both international standard and project specification requirement. Is engineering drawing, is engineering discipline, civil, mechanical, electrical instrument has the own set default code and requirement. EPC company maintain the document register that they track all the document, drawing and the revision, ensure that only the latest approved version are used. Vendor drawing as assign release code and indicate their approval status. So the last one is the EPC company might also provide example deferable from the previous project and the guide based on the person in charge experience. They can implement to the new project. So EPC company might also provide example deferable from the previous project to get the quality and format that new drawing. Integration of design tool and formatting is often mandatory to support ongoing maintenance and the client requirement. Overall, this drawing practice is essential, yeah, for maintaining quality, reduce the error, ensuring compliance through the project. Because of reward from the project is very high additional cost and will very direct impact to the manpower and will direct impact to the cost of the project. So essential engineering drawing process flow diagram VFD. So VFD provide a high level overview on process piping instrumentation diagram, general drawing, GA drawing, isometric drawing. So the EPC is really a variety of the engineering to the communicate design, intent, and fabrication construction. So process flow diagram PFD provide the high level of the overview of the process, showing the major equipment and flow path. Arrangement of the GA drawing is depicts and layout equipment and structure ending and partial planning. Isometric drawing present is 3D and piping system. Sometimes a project don't have the 3D model on the project requirement. Maybe can install by another method based on the actual situation on the field. Yeah. So the arrangement drawing is the adding the partial planning, so fabrication, installation, electrical, and single line diagram SLD, SLD, and illustration of power distribution network. So the foundation support and building layout, instrument loop diagram, detail wiring, and single flow diagram control system. This drawing type integrate to the successful execution of the EPC project. Ensure that all the stakeholders have a clear understanding and of the design and construction requirement. That's all from me. So thank you very much.